Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and as we can clearly see that Euro USD is in downtrend, and as we all know there was a huge volatility in the market yesterday, and yesterday I discussed clearly about the chart of US dollar where I mentioned that there is a good possibility of market going towards the upside because of this ascending triangle pattern, and as per our expectation market did give a breakout. Dollar became strong and currencies like GBP USD saw selling, whereas gold also saw some selling. But Euro USD, okay, Euro USD did not, okay, Euro USD did not show some heavy selling unlike the other currency pairs. Rather, it tried to hold the support level, and we can see that for the last couple of hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. Each candle signifies 4 hours. For the last 20 hours, Euro USD is still trying to hold the support level, and most importantly, buyers are still present in the market. How do we know that? We can easily understand from these candles like dojis. Doji candles signifies indecision in the market. Doji candle signifies battle between the buyers and the sellers. And for the last 20 hours, market is still having a battle whether the market will be controlled by the buyers or sellers. Sellers are trying to push the price downward, whereas buyers are present in this level and they are giving their best shot in trying to hold the support level. And right now you can see that market is still is in indecision mode. Okay, therefore there is a good possibility of market going towards the upside, but in case market goes up from here, listen to me carefully now. Okay, in case market goes up from here, again market will be having a resistance at 1.1710, because this was the support for the market, and right now this the same level may be acting as the new resistance, because in the market we know it very well that support becomes resistance and resistance becomes support. So we can hope that 1.1710 may be the new resistance for the market. Plus we also have this trend line coming down, which is the resistance for the market. Therefore we have got double resistance. In the market. So this level or this point will be very crucial for Euro USD. So in case there is not much buying power in the market, then there is a good possibility that Euro USD will be reversing from this particular level. And in case Euro USD reverses from this particular level in the market, you can easily short the market. And right now, looking at the present indecision in the market, you should not go for any trade right now, because my dear friends, you may be thinking that Avilash, you always tell you are a stupid, you are at blah blah blah. You always tell us to wait. You always tell us to wait for the right time and all. My dear friends, try to understand my only motive, my only intention here is to protect your hard-earned money, protect your capital, and that's why I do not recommend anything that can wipe out your capital. Okay, so my dear friends, no need to buy here right now because market is still in indecision mode. Okay, only short-term market if market reverses from here. And when you'll be shorting the market, do not forget, okay, do not forget to see what the DXY US dollar chart is doing, because generally we see a correlation with the US dollar. When dollar goes up, Euro USD goes down. When dollar goes down, Euro USD goes up. So when you'll be shorting the market, just make sure that dollar is an uptrend. And looking at the present setup of US dollar, there is a good possibility that after a retracement, dollar will be going up again. So let's wait and watch the chart, and let's wait for the perfect opportunity. And if you are a beginner, then if you want to avoid Euro USD, you can avoid Euro USD trading. There are other pairs also available where you will get plenty of opportunities. Okay, and in case market breaks this level, okay, in case market crosses this level and fresh selling comes into the market, then you can short the market. Just see whether dollar is an uptrend or not. If you see that dollar is in huge uptrend, dollar is going up and up, then there will be fresh selling. There may be some fresh selling on Euro USD, and you can short the market. So these are the trading possibilities for Euro USD in front of us right now. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.